up with someone you don't know very well yet, but try not talking to your best friend.
My wish, and I'm proud and happy
that every single one of you one day will become a leader.
I'm satisfied, happy with the outcomes.
There's a little bit in between, but I've seen all the colors in between passing by, so I think you've had some experience with that. This could also be improved this way. So you get quite a rich experience without it being. So body language helps a lot.
I want you by this